Hello everyone, if you're trying to make your audio file public on the Roblox marketplace and you keep getting this problem, enabling storage when available at this time, please check back later, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on the Roblox marketplace easily. So first off, you're going to go to your Roblox settings here. So you're going to go into your settings, and once you're in your settings, now you're going to click onto eligibility here, and then you're going to click onto audio distribution. And here you will need to verify your ID. So just verify your ID with your Roblox account, and once you're done with that, you'll have to agree to their legal agreements. So just click onto all four of these checkboxes, and once you're done clicking on all four of these checkboxes along with verifying your ID, you're going to click submit on here. And once you click submit, now you can go on to roblox.com, and then you're going to go to create. After that, you're going to click onto creations. You're going to click onto development items, click audio. Then you'll have your audio here. Whichever audio you want to make public on, just click it, and then you'll see this button, get approval to distribute. So now the enabling option is available for you. So you're going to click on to submit for review, and once Roblox reviews your audio file and it finds that it's not breaking any rules, then they will approve your audio file to be viewable on the Roblox marketplace. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.